Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Fiat 500 door handle. First, let's prepare by gathering the necessary tools. You will need a T20 Torx screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and of course, your new Fiat 500 door handle. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother. Always work in a well-lit area to ensure you can clearly see all the components and avoid any mistakes. This preparation saves time and effort. Now, let's get to removing the old handle. Begin by locating the small plastic cap on the edge of the door, near the handle. Carefully pry this cap off using your trim removal tool. Beneath it, you'll find a T20 Torx screw. Unscrew this screw, but do not remove it completely. Just loosen it until the outer handle feels loose. Then, gently pull the handle away from the door and disconnect any cables or linkages attached to it. With the old handle removed, it's time to install your new one. First, carefully connect any cables or linkages to the new door handle. Ensure these connections are secure to guarantee proper function. Next, slide the new handle into its designated opening on the door panel. Make sure it sits flush and correctly aligned. Finally, tighten the T20 Torx screw on the door edge to firmly secure the handle. Do not over-tighten, but ensure it is snug. After installation, it's crucial to perform a few final checks. Test the new door handle several times, both from the inside and outside, to ensure it operates smoothly and latches correctly. Make sure there are no snags or stiffness. Once you're satisfied, replace the small plastic cap over the Torx screw on the door edge for a clean, finished appearance. For other great deals, and to grab a Littletree's Black Ice air freshener, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.